In this video, we're going to compare high-ticket dropshipping versus low-ticket dropshipping and talk about the pros and cons of each. First, let's define each high-ticket and low-ticket dropshipping. I would say low-ticket is under $100. Then I would say there's some no man's land between $100 and $400. And I would put high-ticket at $500 plus. And John and I recommend selling products that are $1,000 plus. First, let's talk about some pros for both. Number one, there's low startup costs. Check out our video, How Much Does It Cost to Start Dropshipping, on how you can start a high-ticket dropshipping business for less than $500. Number two, quick startup process. Check out our podcast. It's also here on YouTube of how you can start a high-ticket dropshipping business in 30 days or less. So two big pros right out of the gates for both of them. Dropshipping is a wonderful business model and it has characteristics that share both high-ticket and low-ticket share together. But let's compare them. So low-ticket, you're building turn and burn websites and you're constantly looking for the next hot product. Because of this, low-ticket has a Hail Mary shot at a big windfall that high-ticket not necessarily has. There isn't going to be a $2,500 lawnmower that goes viral, whereas the first person to discover fidget spinners likely did well. But with high ticket, you're building an actual business, one that actually holds value, an asset that you can sell for a multiple on your profit. And you can't say that about the turn and burn low ticket sites. I've personally exited multiple high ticket dropshipping businesses, and one quick look at Quiet Light Brokerage or Empire Flippers through what's for sale on their website, you'll find quite a few. There's not many low ticket, if any, and there's quite a few high ticket dropshipping businesses with great multiples. And with high ticket, you're using local suppliers, local to you. So in the US for me, and selling real brands that people already know and trust. Now these two methods also have two completely different ways of acquiring customers. One is demand generation for low ticket, and the other is demand capture for high ticket. Let me explain what that means. For low ticket, you'll be running ads on social media, so Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, etc. And you are hoping that by interrupting someone's feed, they'll actually click your ad, right? So as they're looking at what their grandma ate for dinner and what their friends did at the bar last weekend, you're hoping they click through your product ad in the middle of it. You have to create this demand for your product. And in contrast, for high ticket dropshipping, you're selling real brands that people already know. People are already searching for these products and these brands. You simply need to step in front of them via Google using AdWords or shopping ads or through SEO. Now let's look at the team and logistics needed for both. So let's use a $50 product for low ticket and a $1,500 product for high ticket in this example, and we'll use 33% margins as our baseline. In order to make $10,000 profit, you'll need to sell roughly 600 units of the low ticket item, and you'll only need to sell 20 of the high ticket item. How many team members will you need to fulfill 600 orders? How many will you need to fulfill 20 orders? How likely are you to have damaged shipments, returns, customer complaints with 600 orders versus 20 orders? Obviously, I think high ticket is the answer here. You can start for less than $500. You can be up and running in 30 days or less. There's high profit per order, as we just showed. You're building a real business that you can exit. You're getting a marketing degree while you're getting paid. So which one do you think is better and why? Tell me in the comments below. And if you're ready to learn more, we've got loads of videos on this channel. We've got a free and a paid podcast and a free training on our website, dropshipbreakthrough.com, that will help you find your market and your products today.